All right. So, if you barbecue, especially if you do it kind of professionally, you want to rest your meat when it's done, right? So, these are some ribs. These are cooked unwrapped the entire time. You can see these beautiful pullback. But let me show you how we're going to rest them today. So, we got this food warmer or this food carrier from Vivor. So, you already got some chicken in there. Get that in there. Now you can fit 9 of these pans or about 6 of these ones. You can find these in the TikTok shop below or if you ask for the link. But we're going to let these sit in here for about 45 minutes. Allow those juices to redistribute in those ribs. Make sure you rest your meat. Check out this from Vivor. You won't be disappointed.